In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll know how to find Wix from a simple Google search. Open your site's dashboard and use Wix's AI features to adjust your page height so your content looks clean and balanced. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Wix. On the results page, look for the official Wix website. It should be clearly labeled and show the secure padlock icon in the address bar. Click through to Wix and sign in if you're prompted. If you manage multiple sites, take a second to confirm you're in the correct account. A quick tip: bookmarking the Wix homepage can save you time the next time you do this. Once you're in your Wix account, you'll land on your site dashboard. This is your central hub for everything related to your website. Here, find and select your site, then choose the Design Site option. This opens the main editor where you can work on layouts, sections, and visual elements. If you see different editing interfaces, just continue with the standard editor you usually use. Make sure you give the editor a moment to fully load so all tools are available. Inside the editor, locate the Wix AI tool. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it as an assistant icon or an AI prompt option within the editor's toolbar. Click it to open the prompt field. In that field, type the phrase, "Adjust page height." This instruction tells the AI to refine the vertical spacing on your page, which is especially helpful if you notice extra blank space at the bottom, content that feels cramped, or a footer sitting too far from your last section. After you enter the prompt, the AI will analyze your page and suggest changes that align the content with the page height more neatly. Review what it proposes. If it looks right, go ahead and apply it. If it's not quite what you want, try rephrasing your prompt with a bit more detail, such as mentioning a specific page or section, or simply run the same prompt again to fine-tune the result. You can always undo an adjustment if needed, so feel free to iterate until the spacing feels natural and consistent across your content and footer. That's it. You searched for Wix on Google, opened your site via the Design Site option, and used Wix AI to adjust page height for a cleaner, more professional look. Thanks for watching, and enjoy refining your site's layout with confidence.